Hello guys, welcome back to another YouTube video, and Jacob's going to be here in a few minutes. He's just connecting to the Wi-Fi, but we're doing natural disaster survival with Jacob. So it's just loading.
Wait, why did you start the video?
I said you'd be in a second. Okay.
I'm not in a second.
He's just connecting to the Wi-Fi. Ignore what you just heard. Okay.
We need to get really close to time, because this last time we couldn't hear from me whatsoever.
Yell in my microphone. There. Maybe not yell. There's a second side here that'll record stuff also.
Hi.
You could just talk normally, but put your mouth up to the microphone. Because last time you sounded like an ant that whispering.
Okay. I'm getting as close as possible. Okay. So.
Don't yell. At least you're near the microphone, so you'll just sound just like me. Okay.
Dot.
I can't wait for it. So Jacob, this is my new skin.
I know.
I'm gonna stand on this dude. I wonder why I'm a block. What? No!
You're the only one there.
I accidentally fell. Oh no. Technical issues. Okay, so Jacob's in the game, but everyone's died. Everyone just died on the what? What?
Let's do the first disaster, okay?
Hi, Jacob.
Wait, do you need a change? No. Why isn't it working?
Next map, Prison Panic.
Oh, thumbstick, yes, thumbstick.
I hate the thumbstick.
No, someone just died.
Already?
Okay, wait, I'm actually gonna go to the highest place. I hope the disaster's not a double disaster because I hate those things.
There's double disasters.
I just teleported.
How do you teleport?
Oh my gosh. What? I just teleported into the prison.
How do you teleport?
Go inside, go inside, go inside, go inside.
You're a prisoner?
Yeah, I'm a prisoner, look.
Wait, don't go out, don't go out.
I'm changing mine to a thumbstick.
Thumbstick's the best.
Dramatic? Oh, dang it. I glitched it. I don't know how.
Get to higher ground. Oh, this is the one I wanted. This is the one I wanted.
I love this one.
Tsunami. I have to do this first person.
Default thumbstick. Yes. Dang,
I'm gonna get flooded. I'm gonna get flooded.
I hate this. The iPod can only do this. This one.
I'm going up as high as I can. I want to be a survivor.
Oh, I got it.
I want to be known as a survivor, man.
Go to the white spot. If you find a white spot, go into it. Like a white orb. I'm stuck inside.
I hear the tsunami crashing. Oh! Dude.
I can't get out. How do you get out? Is there like a vent or something? Can I go through the toilet? I'm literally stuck in here, Drake. I literally am stuck.
I didn't go in the white spot. That's what it was.
I'm stuck in here, but this is a great spot because it's so high. So guess what? I'm gonna survive this one.
Me too.
Wait.
Oh!
Wait,
I'm going to the ground! I'm going to the ground! Oh! What?
I didn't survive! They're letting me out. They're gonna let me out soon.
But I don't think we should.
You're the only one that died.
Why do people die? Why do people keep dying the place where they are not supposed to die?
Lol.
You're stuck in the map. You're stuck in the map.
I'm still a prisoner.
Oh. High school. Hate school. Hate school. It should be called high school. Hate.
I can't.
Everyone's just going inside. Jacob, follow me. Jacob, follow me. No, not go inside. Follow me. We're gonna die together.
No, I'm not dying.
Follow me, Joe.
I'm never dying.
Just follow me.
I want to be the best at this game.
Don't go in the dying pack. That's where everyone dies in the high school. Really. So just follow me. I'm waiting out for you.
I am a prisoner that...
Oh, not this way. I know the right way.
So, guys, if you guys haven't subscribed yet, wow, you're missing out. This channel is the best Roblox channel you can find on this site called YouTube.
Better than Flamingo.
Yeah, better than any YouTube channel.
Because Flamingo is rude to his watchers.
Yeah, we're nice. We do giveaways.
But we're not better than DNT. What was that?
It's a meteor shower, Drake.
Quick, get inside. I didn't realize it.
I have tears in my eyes because I just said that. Seriously.
I hate meteors.
Even though you've never experienced one.
I have, right now.
In the game. Guys, if you look up our YouTube channel, my YouTube channel, it sucks.
I can't even search it. It won't come up. My channel used to not come up, but the more videos I get, the more times it comes up. So if my channel doesn't come up, and then just search it a bunch of times, you know what to search. Capital M, capital E, capital E, capital P,
we had another
capital
YouTube
C.
channel that we did it together. We only did 2 videos.
Yeah, that's like the Pals. It's sort of like the Pals, but not a rip-off. Okay, I'll leave a link in the description below to that channel.
Yeah, but that channel kind of sucks, you know.
But still, at least we have some videos.
Yeah, we can't do it anymore.
Yeah, we can. I still have the channel.
But you don't have the screen recorder for the channel.
No, I just re-downloaded it.
Drake, if I saw your hamster, would you be mad at me?
Well, yeah, yes. No, please don't. I like him.
We found Corgi outside, but we somehow got him back in.
Yeah, we are hamster lovers.
I'm gay. The G word. Oh, I love this map. Oh no, don't go on that plane. It's like Toshi.
I want to go on the plane.
It's like Toshi, Drake.
Where is the plane?
No, the plane, the rocket.
I want to go on the rocket. Oh, is that the rocket?
Yeah.
Up here?
Where's the disaster?
Going on the rocket.
No, I'll try. I want to die with you. If anything, I want to die with you.
Oh, you're romantic. What was that?
Let's see. Oh no, flash flood.
Seek high and stable. We're not gonna die. Up here, we're not gonna, cause this is super high.
Okay, I need to get up.
Someone already died. I heard the oof from your iPod. Oh! Oh!
So guys, no, I fell down.
I already died. So just die.
I'm not dying with you. I'm not romantic.
Oh, you're romantic.
I was romantic.
Even though you have chicken nuggets on your desk.
Ew. Dude, this is so high.
Yeah, viewers, that mole on your right butt cheek, I'm sure one of you are just typing out in the comments, how did he know? Yeah, that mole on your right butt
Dang
cheek.
it, who threw me off this? Who threw me off of it?
I'll never be on the survivors list. Once, remember whenever we did the map, and I was the only one that wasn't on the survivors list? I'm crunching on peanuts. And no, we're not selling my hamster. If we did, we would be horrible.
Ah! Oh no, we're on the beach. I hate the beach.
I love the beach.
But in this game, it sucks.
I know.
Wait,
I'm going up here to the lifeguard's post. Jacob, die with me.
No.
Don't be romantic, but just still die with me.
I won't die.
I'm going on to the lifeguard post.
I'm better than you. I'm better!
No, everybody always dies in the buildings.
Okay, what is it? But if there's one that was a war.
That'd be awesome. Okay, I'm just sitting up here.
Tsunami!
Tsunami! Get to higher ground! This is the highest part.
I'm gonna go up here. No one's gonna survive, you know.
No, Jacob, you're going up the wrong one.
No.
There's a girl up here with me. I think she has a crush on me.
What?
I see you, I see you, I see you. Jacob, come on, quick!
The tsunami's starting. Her name, Pooper Moji. Get her off here! She's gonna win up there. That's higher than here.
I don't care, I want to die in the tsunami. Oh, someone died out there. Oh, I'm gonna die.
No, we're not. Oh!
We survived! We survived! I'm just sitting on the, look, I'm just sitting on the water. I'm just sitting on the water.
I'm going inside. This is the place where everyone is. This is a good place because...
The ladder's gone.
Yeah, but there's a way to go up.
I know.
This is the highest spot in the whole map. Everyone survived.
Except the people on that last lifeguard post that wasn't ours. I can't believe the poop emoji person survived.
Everyone survived, except for like one person.
Look, just look. Oh. Couldn't see our name. It's just we lost so much times that we won't put our name on there. So guys, I think that's a good place to end this video. Subscribe if you haven't.
Yeah!
Like if you haven't already. Turn that notification bell. Tap that notification bell so that you
so you
have so you know whenever we make a new video. See you on the next one. Bye bye.